Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a pack with me for my vacation. I'm seriously so excited and I love filming these videos every time I travel. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys do. And if you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it so you can get notified the next time I upload. What's so fun about this video in particular is I'm collabing with Travel Designs. They have the cutest packing cube packing organization. So if you're a busy person on the go all the time, I definitely recommend checking it out. It made my packing so much easier and I will have them linked down below in case you guys want to check them out. But let's just get right into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and definitely check out Travel Designs. I'll have them linked down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on where anything is from, feel free to leave a comment. I do read and respond back to every single comment. I love being able to chit chat with you guys, and thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Bye guys.